Today, we're roasting beef bone marrow for appetizers. This is an easy but elegant starter you're going to love. I like to serve them on baked crostini for a texture contrast. We're going to get to the marrow bones in a second, but let's make the crostini. Cut the bread rounds into about a 1/3 inch slice and then brush them with olive oil on both sides. Bake for about 8 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees until the toasts are crisp. Once the crostini is done, rub with a clove of garlic, just gently to season the bread. And then we season the bone marrow. These are canoe-cut bones from the femur of the steer. But you can also use cross-cut, which are going to be smaller and kind of look like a donut. Season with black pepper and salt, and then roast at 450 degrees until the marrow is bubbly. While it cooks, zest some lemon and chop some parsley. This is like a little gremolata that we're going to season the bones with. And just mix it up, and when the bones come out, usually about 12 to 15 minutes later, this is what you get. Sprinkle them with that lovely herb mixture and serve with those toasted crostini that have just that light hint of garlic. This is such a wonderful contrast of flavors and textures. The inside, the marrow, is just soft and gelatinous. It'll melt on your tongue. And it's very fragrant thanks to the parsley and the lemon zest. Just look at that. It's just buttery, kind of like a beef butter, really, and it's a very elegant appetizer. You can get this in lots of fancy restaurants and pay a boatload for it, but you can also make it at home, and it's so good. I hope you enjoy.